Hello everyone, it's Dan here from TommusRhodus Support. In this video I'm just going to take you through the process of creating a fresh page with Visual Composer with Waves for WordPress. So if we look at one of the demo pages, the home page for instance, you can see there's quite a lot in there. It may look quite complicated initially, but it's all very straightforward thanks to Visual Composer. So what we'll do to start with, we'll just create our own fresh project, our own fresh page. And we'll start adding content so you can see how it all works and just how simple it is. So let's go to New and Page to create a fresh page. And I'm going to call this Dan's page, I think. Nice and original. Okay, we're going to use Visual Composer, so we'll activate the editor and start adding content. Now, the way the theme works, ideally you should use sections to kind of house your content. I'll show you what I mean now. You can basically use sections to kind of group several rows and things together to create some really good layouts. But we'll create a page now and you can see what I mean. So to begin with, I'm going to pop a section in, and within there we'll add a nice revolution slider, I think, just to begin with. Now I've just only got the one from the demo set up here, so we'll just use that. And before we do anything else, let's publish the page and just take a quick look. Sorry, my machine is working a little slowly at the second. Okay, so there we go. We can see we've got a nice slider there like we wanted. However, what you may have noticed is it's not quite got the full width quality that you'd want from that. So to do that, to make it fill up the page like the one from the example, we'll go into the section settings, and here we're going to stretch the section and content, and that basically just allows it to fill out the entire area needed. So if we update the page and have a look, you can see there it now makes the full width of the page as we wanted. Now if we want to go further and remove the padding from above and below, we can pop back into the settings, and under the section settings, the design tab, we can set all the paddings at 0, hit save, and what that will do is just tell the row that you want it to have no padding around it. So you can see there it's completely filling the area with no white space. Absolutely perfect. Now let's go one step further and add some content below that. So we'll click here, we'll add another section, and here I'll just pop in a title. And then below that, we'll do the portfolio feed, I think. Okay, let's update the page once more and just take a look. And there we go. You can see there we've got our title, our portfolio section, and again you will notice there, although I quite like how this looks, you'll notice there it's not full width like the page, like the example homepage, and again just like last time, it's all down to the settings here. Ooh, get rid of that. It's all down to the settings here, so we can go in here and just stretch it all out if we want to, and just have that fill up the width of the page. Absolutely stunning. One more feature you'll obviously want to use would be maybe the parallax or video background options. So what I'll do, actually, I'll create another section, and in there I think I'll just pop another title, And the important part here is in the row settings. We can go down to parallax here, select simple, and then choose an image either from your media library or upload one. I think I quite like that one, so we'll use that. And again, if we just update the page just to see how that looks, you can see there's our perfect background there. And again, just to really hammer it home, you can see that there's a gap either left or right because we haven't told that row to stretch, so it doesn't know to fill things out. So we'll stretch the row. And as you can see, it fills it out neatly. So if we do one more just to show you the video background, the process is exactly the same. So within the row settings, rather than choosing a parallax background, you can enter a video background here. So we'll enable it by using the video background option. There's a URL already provided. So let's update. And there we go, we have a nice video background there too. So there we are, we can see so far on this page we've made a full width area, we've added content, we've shown how to stretch rows so you can have full width areas and apply different background styles as needed. And that's it. If you do need any of the help with building a page with waves, do let us know. Just head over to support and come and say hi. Speak to you soon.